Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Today we will learn about ID word family. I says E. D says D. Together we say ID. K. ID. Kid. The kid is happy. L. ID. Lid. Close the lid. D. ID. Did. I did my work. B. ID. Bid. He made a bid. R. ID. Rid. Get rid of trash. H. ID. Hid. M. ID. Mid. We met at midday. S. ID. Sid. Sid is my friend. G. R. ID. Grid. The box has a grid. S. K. ID. The car did skid. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye-bye.